Hello everyone on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. At 8 o'clock every day, we will upload a video answering questions from students in the course. If you don't want to miss any of our upcoming videos, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Even more importantly, please click the bell icon so that every time we release a new video, you'll be the very first person to watch it before anyone else. In this video today, a student is asking for a detailed explanation on how to create 10 lines inside these two sides of the skirt hem. Normally, if you don't know this command, you would create 10 points along the waist, 10 points along the hem, and you would manually draw each line one by one, like this, right? Doing it this way takes a lot of time. In OPTITEX, however, there's a really useful command. Look in the toolbox section, there's a command called line between segment. You select the first point, then select the second point. Remember, select in a clockwise direction. If you select in the opposite direction, it won't work. You select the first point, then select the second point of the second edge, right? Okay, now you'll enter the number of lines inside this skirt, right? After that, down here there's an extend command. You check this box, then your lines will closely follow the perimeter line. After that, you click OK. The software will ask if you want to create points at the ends of the perimeter line. You can choose to create them or not, it's up to you. There you go, you've instantly created 10 lines inside the body of this skirt. Very quick, right everyone? And if you want to learn more cool commands like this, you can check out the courses at PDS Academy. You can check out this course, and if you need further advice, you can message me on Zalo at this phone number. I will advise you so you can enroll in the course. And remember, please subscribe to the channel so that next time I upload new videos, you'll be the first to see them. Alright, goodbye everyone, and see you in the next videos.